Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3039th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. Hey, Omni Camp starts early tomorrow morning, so I just wanted to give you a quick video, and let's get that done. This is for trading on Friday, June 26, 2026. Please remember how risky trading is. Always put your stops in first. Russell 2000, chart looks pretty good. The Omni has got some pointing up, some pointing down. When I say some, I'm talking about the U.S. indices like even the S&P, NASDAQ, Russell 2000, the Dow, the Transportation Average, the YM. Omni's got some pointing up and some pointing down for Friday. I call that mixed signals, but looks mostly up to me when you look at something like the Russell 2000. Now, why would the Russell 2000 be going up? Well, stock market's getting a chance to literally get boosted right here. The reason why the stock market is having a chance to get boosted is by this. Take a look at this. Here, if I remember right, I said it. Oh, look at crude oil. Talk about knock, knock, knock on that door that finally opened. And boy, did we crack. We got to the 70-50 target already. So now that we're at the 70-50 target, we look at, where could we go next from here? And where could we go next? 67 to 66 and a half, and then 61 and a half could possibly come our way. So we've gotten to the 70-50 target. Now we're looking at 67 to 66 and a half. If that gets violated, 61 and a half could be in the stars for crude. Now, that is helping the price of everything else come down, because I have shown you in several videos that the inflationary markets, the commodities that we use for raw materials to build products, they're all becoming deflationary. Now, the movement of those products is becoming deflationary. And another thing is going on. Here's something very interesting. I've been following this for I've been following it for as long as it's been around. The war, and whatever you want to call what's going on in Iran, is 118 days long. And this is what's called the Strait of Hormuz monitor. It's either restricted yellow or red. It hasn't been green since the war started 118 days ago. So it's either restricted yellow or green. And what I've noticed here, boy, that phone is just killing us, huh? What I've noticed here is that we are getting 62 ships crossing right now with 450 sitting behind them waiting. I'll tell you this right now. That is the most ships I have seen cross since the war began 118 days ago. I have not seen this much traffic, and my Omniacs know, because I sit in my trading room every day. I monitor this every day. I take a look at it every day. And there are times where this thing goes from red to yellow, back to red 3 times in one day. And the ships turn to zero crossing. Right now, you got 62. That's fantastic. That's going to help like everything else is going to help. Traders, I hope that helps you. OmniCamp's tomorrow, so I got to go prepare. Remember, stop soaring. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders, Omni Campers. I will see you tomorrow morning. Looking forward to it.